Hi there, this is Milo, and this is a Zarker J55S. I think the S designates that it's got the protected shackle. Um, it's a disc detainer lock, of course. Loose removable shackle. There's the bidding, and yeah, I picked this one up because a good while ago, Chris Capoon was recommending them as a good sort of beginner and a slightly better alternative than the top security the top security padlocks. This detainer locks can be very hit and miss. The wafers tend to be really thin, and it's quite hard keeping on the wafers with the Sparrow's disc pick. So I decided, since I didn't, oh, there's a slight flaw there on the A. I've only just noticed. I decided there, since I wasn't lucky enough to win either of the Zarkers that Chris gave away a while ago. When I saw this one popping up in my recommended list, I thought I would pick it up. Fairly reasonably priced. So yeah, let's try and give it a pick. I'll put a link to Chris's video in the description. I'll put a link to Chris's channel down in the description there, and yeah, you can check out. He does a lot of disc detainer stuff, and he makes it look very easy. And I probably will not. Now, I'm going to be using the Sparrow's disc pick with this, what I call my training wheel. I know some people recommend that not to use the spacers. It's a bit like a stabilizer. You kind of you kind of end up relying on them, but I don't mind. It's not like I'll be picking these things in the wild, so it's basically just me picking them in the vise, so it doesn't matter. So get on to disc 1. So keep slipping off and terrible for. So I got a click there. The disc feels very quite tight in there, but I'm gonna leave it there. Another little click there. So I'll leave the second, get on the third. So as soon as I start turning the third, I feel a little bit of counter rotation, so that probably means that it was already in the gate. So I'll leave it there. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that one there, on to the next one. We'll leave that one there. And got a turn, and we are in. Well, that went a little bit better than normal. So there we go, the Zarker SJ55S, picked on video for the first time, and yeah, I recommend them. They're definitely a cut above the normal sort of XL excuse me, XL top security style disc detainer locks. And yeah, I think I'll be keeping my eye out for more of these and maybe pick up another one or two. Certainly need to do a lot more practicing with disc detainer picking, but yeah, highly recommended. Thanks for recommending these, Chris, and thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.